Orúkọ mi ni Ọlárewájú Hasan Adesina. Wọ́n pè mí ní Iya Awero. Dẹ̀ pè mí ní Màámi Àríànsá.
Ọdúntẹ̀ ní ẹ̀kín ṣàìmọ̀ fólókó. Ìjẹ́ aríyìn bíbá ilé ni a máa rí yín bá o. A fẹ́ kí ni ẹ lè bá wa sọ nípa baálẹ̀ wa because tí ẹ bá mọ baálẹ̀ wa tí ní ọba dẹ̀dọ̀ sí wọn ẹ̀ ní wọn àmì bá ilé ni. Wọ́n ń ṣe ọjọ́ ìbí, wọ́n ń ṣe ayẹyẹ kan ní wọ́n tán pọ́dún kan tán wà ní orí oyè, wọ́n dẹ̀ fà wọ́n kan jẹ oyè lẹ́nu. Ẹ kàn bá a sọ̀rọ̀ níṣẹ́jú àyá nípa baálẹ̀.
Baálẹ̀ ká máa dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run ni pé wọ́n pé ọmọ 60 years lénìí. Ká dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run ni o. Ẹ̀mí wọn á túbọ̀ gùn o. Wọ́n jẹ́ èèyàn dáadáa sí wa, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn eléré. Wọ́n ń fẹ́ ìlọsíwájú fún wa. Àwa náà dẹ̀ ń fẹ́ lọ síwájú fún wọn. Lénìí ìta wà ń bí. Àwọn ni wọ́n sọ pé a gbọ́dọ̀ wá bá wọn ṣe ayẹyẹ ọjọ́ ìbí èní. Wọ́n pè bíi 3 in 1, wọ́n fà wọ́n kan joyè lénìí náà. Kò sí nǹkan méjì tá a lè sọ ju pé ọpẹ́ ni ká máa dá fún wọn lọ. Gbogbo bọ́dẹ̀ tí ń ṣe ní dáadáa kán túbọ̀ máa ṣe. Olúwa á túbọ̀ wá fún wọn ní ẹ̀mí ọgbọ́n àtẹ̀mí òye ẹ̀mí ìmọ̀ràn láti lè máa darí ìlú náà. Ìlú á rójú, ọ̀nà wọn á ráyè. Gbogbo ohun kí ohun tó bá dáwọ́lé a máa yọrí sí dáadáa. Bàbá wa kẹ́ ẹ pẹ́ o. Wọ́n mi sí lórí tíátà ni pé Ọlárewájú Hasan Adesina Iya Awero. Gbogbo bíkíbi tí bá dé máa pè Iya Awero. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ ṣeun, àdúpẹ́.
All right, we are here today at the kingdom of Baale Sorobi in Igbein land, and on today, on a special duty on his 1-year coronation, a preamble of his coronation of a free medical thing, and we are here with, and they said, let us hear from the horse's mouth. I remain comrade Alhaji Sumola. Can we meet you by means of introduction, your name, and what are we doing here today?
My name is Yusuf Abibat. I'm from Ogun State. We are here to give free medical outreach to people.
All right, what are the expectations of the people of Sorobi here today?
We are here to give them free medication, to check up their BP, their medical health status, and give them drugs for free. We are giving people free medical drugs from the Baale of Sorobi community. We will check their BP, their medical health status, and present to them the drugs that was given out from the Baale to give to people free.
It's all right. So she said that they are giving out drugs on a free test. They admonished you people to come out, check your status, check your medical status, and know what you needed to take. Because don't forget, earth is wet. Don't touch the dye while we comes back.
Come and stand. I mean, want to interview you personally. Make you go first.
You see one berry. One berry. When you reach there, you go down. When you see where you fit down, you go answer anything where you fit down there. A question and answer. No. They are not supposed to be doing this. One way people to be by enough.